Hello, welcome to today's 15-minute fitness class. We're doing sliders again today. We will have some up, some down on the ground. So let's go ahead and get started with our warm up as we usually do. Let's begin with some windmills. Legs are wide. Opposite hand is going down to opposite toe. Feel that full stretch through your hamstrings as you reach down. Use those glutes to bring you on back up. We'll get a couple more in here. One more on each side. Good. Swing a leg out front. Opposite hand is reaching towards that opposite foot or ankle, knee, wherever you can reach for. One more on each side. Good. Let's do some hip openers. Send a leg back, then bring it on back forward, and then switch it over to the other side. Send that leg back and bring it on up. Getting that full range of motion as you move through the stretch. Good. One more on each side. This one here. Very good. All right. Next up, we're going to do some jumping jacks. I'm doing the modified version. If you want to do the full jumping jack, you sure can. I'm sticking with this one for today. Three, two, and one. Good. Last warm-up move. We're going to take a knee to an elbow, give a little crunch in here. We're going to be doing this move later on in our workout with a little crunch. So we're getting warmed up with it now, thinking about that move, getting comfortable with it till we do it again. One more on each side. Very good. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We have 5 moves. We'll do each one for 40 seconds, 20 seconds rest, and then we'll go through a second time and then a quick stretch at the end. So our first move is going to be down here on the ground. It's going to be a combo move. I'll show you the options and you can modify however you like. So we are here in plank position. You're going to do a knee tuck, send it back, and then tap the shoulder, tap the shoulder, tap the shoulder, tap the shoulder. Knee tuck, 1, 2, 3, 4. Options for modifications. You can go down on your knees for those shoulder taps. You can skip the knee tuck. You could do a mountain climber instead. You pick how you want to do it. 40 seconds, ready, and begin. Woo, you're doing great. We are at halfway. Less than 10 seconds left. 5, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Whew, great job. Give those abs a little rest. You're going to move on to your back. We've done this move before, so it should be familiar. You're going to go up to a glute bridge, hold it here, send alternating heels out. I like to have my heels on the sliders because it stays on there a little bit better. 40 seconds and begin. Keep those glutes up the whole time as you glide out. That heel. Whoop. halfway through. I think the trickiest part on this one is keeping your slider fully attached to your heel. 5 seconds left. And stop. Very good. All right. Last one on the ground before we move up. Again, you have lots of options here. So how I'm going to start it is you're in push-up position on your knees or on your toes. As you push up down, one arm goes out and then you push it back up and then you alternate the other arm and out. I can do about 3 of those until I can't. So the other options is you can stay here in plank position and just alternate the arm going forward, or you could just do straight push-ups, nothing with the sliders. Your choice of whatever option you want to do. 40 seconds and begin. I'm going to do as many push-ups as I can, and then I'm going to switch to planks. You choose whatever is best for you halfway through. Point is that you move, and the point is that you challenge yourself. And that's going to look a little bit different for everybody. And that is just fine. I'm proud of you for being here and pushing yourself. 3, 2, 1, stop. Fantastic. All right, now we are coming up. We're going to use one slider here. I have it on my right foot. We're going to go back into a back lunge and then back up. Just a regular back lunge, one side. Ready, and begin. Be sure to send that leg all the way back, deep into the lunge. Halfway through. Might take it back a little bit further than what you would expect. But you want 90-degree angles with both of those knees. 10 seconds left, a little bit less than. 3, 2, 1, stop. Good. All right, last move before we repeat is a combo move. Go ahead and keep that slider on your right foot. You're going to send it out to go into a side lunge. Come back together. That foot that's on the slider, bring your arms up, do a twist for a little crunch. Put your right foot back on the slider. Side lunge, knee to elbow. Side lunge, knee to elbow. 40 seconds. Let's begin. Side lunge, knee to elbow. Remember, when you do that knee to elbow, we want this to be a standing crunch halfway through. So think about your core, lifting up your leg. Think about your core, twisting, bringing your knee down to your elbow. Doing great. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Great job. All right, now we repeat. We're back on down to the ground. We're doing a knee tuck with a 4-shoulder tap or any sort of modification variance that you want to do on that. Ready, and begin. Doing so good. 15 seconds left here. 10 seconds left. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. Stop. Great job. Onto your back, heels on your sliders, up into that glute bridge, alternating heel, sliding out. 40 seconds. Ready, and begin. Stay up in that glute bridge. Keep your slider on your heel. Keep those glutes up in the air the whole time. Halfway through. 10 seconds left. 5, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Great job. All right, one more on the ground. We have the push-up with an arm going out and then push-up with the opposite arm, or regular push-ups, or planks with just setting the alternating arm out. Your choice, 40 seconds. Let's begin. I'm going to try to do a push-up with an arm out, and then do 4 regular arms out, and then back to the push-up. Just remember, you modify this to advance it or modify it however you want. 15 seconds left. You have lots of options, lots of variety. You meet yourself wherever you're at. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, stop. Great job. All right, we have 2 standing up. So if you're with me, left foot is going to go on that slider for a back lunge for our next 40. Ready? And let's begin. Again, remember to send that leg out. Nice far back, 2 90-degree angles. Keep that chest up. Halfway through. Ten seconds left. 3, 2, 1, stop. Great job. One more move till we stretch. We're doing a side lunge. Left leg slides out, then right elbow to left knee crunch. Last 40, then we stretch. Let's begin. Just one more reminder when we're doing these, think about that core, doing the work to get that crunch. Halfway through. Ten seconds left. 5, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Good job. Take a deep breath. Get that heart rate on back down. Good job. Let's go ahead and do a quad stretch. Grab an ankle behind you. Keep those knees tucked in. Deep breaths. Help bring in the heart rate down. You did good work with your legs today. Switch. And working the core. Some arms in there. Maybe you worked up a little bit of sweat. I did. Good. Then we're gonna do a glute stretch. You can do this against a wall, lying down, or in a chair, ankle over. And switch. Very good. And then last stretch, so hamstring stretch. Reach down towards those toes, let that head hang.
shoulders hang. Feel the stretch through your lower back and your hamstrings. Slowly roll it on back up. Very good. Nice job today, everybody. Thanks so much for joining me, and we'll see you next time.